go. You taught me how to live, you taught me how to fight. You're as free as a bird, you're the love of my life. I just want you to know your daddy's so proud of you all. Your first bike, even wake to check you breathing in the middle of the night. I'll watch you fall and get back to your feet and enjoy drawing rainbows in the middle of the street. I'll coach your team and pick you up from class, even pick up the pieces of your first broken heart. Just follow your dreams, you just gotta believe, and if life gets too hard, I'll be there when you need.
I love you so much, so I'm just giving you a lolly.